Now we are starting with exercise 2.5. Up to question number 8 we have completed everything. Are you getting? Now ninth one, verify x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube is equal to what? X plus y in bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Are you getting my point? See, it is always x cube plus y cube. Whatever is this, same bracket will come over here. And afterward it is x square and opposite of this. Similarly, if I talk about x cube minus y cube, this will be x minus y in one bracket, whatever is over here, under the cube. In another bracket, x square plus xy minus plus y square. Whenever there is a square, it will never be minus. Except, are you getting this? So here what you have to do, LHS is what? X cube plus, and this you have to leave. You can't do anything of that. But take the RHS. What is RHS? X plus y, and then x square minus xy plus y square. Now what will happen? First this x will multiply with everybody. See carefully. What is your name? Hanshika. Hansika ki Hanshika? Hanshika. See, first this x will go and multiply with everybody over there. First this x will go and multiply over here, then this x will go and multiply over here, then this x will go and multiply over here. Are you getting? So what will I get? X will multiply with x square plus minus x will multiply with xy plus x will multiply with y square. Understood? Pay attention. Then what will happen? After that, this y will go and multiply with everywhere. Y will multiply with x square. First multiply the signs and then multiply the terms. So here, this I am continuing down. Plus y into x square plus minus y into xy plus y into y square. समजतं हंसिका? मला ते केलेलं पाहिजे. This will be what? Now all multiplications you should do. This multiplication, this is also multiplication, this is also multiplication. So x into x square will be x cube. Minus will come down. X into x square. Y will be there. Here there is nothing, so this will be x y square plus x square y minus x y square plus y cube. Y into y square, y cube. Now if you'll pay attention, x cube has no other like term. Minus x square y plus x square y, they will get cancelled because they are opposite signs. Similarly, xy square minus xy square also will get cancelled. What remains is y cube. This is your second equation. Can make out this is x cube plus y cube. After solving you get x cube plus y cube. So from 1 and 2 we get, what do we get? This x cube plus is equal to x plus y into I want you all to solve this. Start like this only, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side and right hand. In this case, what will happen? Of course, you will take the LHS over here. This is your point 1. You will get the RHS is x minus y. This will become, now x will multiply with everybody, x into x square plus x into xy plus 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 x into y square minus plus minus y into x square minus plus minus y into xy minus plus minus y into y square. This you should be able to understand this. Now I will do the multiplication. Well, multiplication, try to understand what is the power of x, 1. What is the power of these powers when they have like base, same base. This is base is x, this base is also x. So because they are same base, their powers will add up. It will become x, 2 plus 1 cube. When same bases are there, their powers will add. Similarly over here, see this x and x are base, same base. No power means power is 1. So this will become x, 1 plus 1, 2. Y plus x y square minus x square y minus x y square minus y cube. Now this y x y square, because they have opposite signs, plus and minus, they will cancel out. What you will get is x cube minus y cube. This is your 2. So now you will tell from 1 and 2 we get, what do we get? X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus y square. Understood this? Huh? This is done. See now, same logic. See what is now what are the two theorems? What are the these are actually speaking identities. These are identities, and what are the two identities? When x cube plus y cube, you will get x plus y in one bracket multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square. And when it is x cube minus y cube, you will get x minus y plus this is the property. Are you getting? Before this we have known that if supposing it is 9x square minus, supposing it is 4, if I have to use the formula x square minus y square is equal to what? X plus y into, this is the formula. But for this formula to be applied, I want everybody should be the base of square. If it is not the base, here x is the base of square, but 9 is not the base of square, so I will write what? 3x the whole square. Here 2 square. Then I will write, this will become what? 3x plus 2 in one bracket, 3x minus 2 in another bracket. If you remember this, if you have not revised, I made the revision for this. Right? Similarly, look at this question, 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now what will you do with this? If I have to apply these identities, what will you do with this?
3 cube, 5 cube.
Yes or no? Y is under the cube but 27 is not. Z is under the cube but 125 is not. So what is the cube root of 27? 3y the whole cube plus 125 ka 5z the whole cube. Now you know, since x cube plus y cube is equal to what? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y x square minus xy plus y square, right? So your x is, this whole thing is your x, this whole thing is your y, है ना? So this will become, this is the formula that you have used. Therefore we get, what we will get? X plus y, na? What is your x? 3y, not 3y cube, 3y plus 5z. This is your x and y. Another bracket, x square means 3y the whole square minus x into y means 3y into 5z plus 5z the whole square. Bracket close. Huh? Now this will become,
8y0.
they are unlike terms. Unlike terms don't add or subtract. ये दिमाग में रख दे बाबा. Unlike terms, एक is having y, the other one is having z. They are unlike terms. Unlike terms never add or subtract. They will multiply or divide. If this would have been 3y into 5z, then definitely 3 5s are 15, y, z is possible. Addition and subtraction of unlike terms is not possible. You are not supposed to do that. Are you getting me my point? Huh? This you have to remember. You can't do these mistakes. Now open the bracket. What will be over here?
9y. 55.
Now it is possible.
25y.
Plus. This is your final answer. Here you can't do anything again. These are unlike terms. You can't operate. You can't add or subtract. Understood? Now do one thing. फटाफट 5 minutes I am giving to the second one. लक्ष देऊन कर होतं जमणार तुला. तू डेअरिंग करत नाही, समजलं? जमणार 100%. दिस इज 4m. ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड द होल क्यूब minus 7n the whole cube. Now this is your x. एकदा डिसाईड करायचं बिंदास, घाबरायचं नाही. घाबरले तर कसं चालायचं? दिस इज युअर एक्स अँड दिस इज युअर वाय. हे मी लिहितो आहे ना, परत त्याचसाठी लिहितो आहे. अँड द फॉर्म्युला इज वॉट? एक्स क्यूब. दिस इज मायनस वाय क्यूब. यू शुड नो द फॉर्म्युलाज. इज इक्वल टू एक्स मायनस वाय इन वन ब्रॅकेट, इन अनदर ब्रॅकेट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वॉट एवर इज हियर उसका ऑपोजिट एक्स वाय प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर. अंडरस्टूड? Therefore, we get, what is that we get from here? This is x and minus y, na? Here you have to substitute the value of x and y. This is x minus y, na? So this is x is what? 4m minus what is y? 7n. This will go in one bracket. In another bracket, I am purposely taking it box bracket because whole square is there. X square, what is x? 4m. 4m the whole square plus x into y. X into y means 4m into 7n plus y square. What is y? 7n the whole square. And then again you have to close this bracket. It is very important where you write the square. If you write the square inside, then that square is not applicable to 4. If you write the square inside, then the square is applicable only to m, not applicable to 4. So you have to write here. So this will become, now here I can't do anything, this will be copied down. And here it will become 16m square plus 4 into 7, 28mn plus 49n square. There is no like term over here. mn, m square, mn, n square. So you can't do anything. This is your end answer. Are you all getting this much?
Yes, sir.
Now 11th and 12th and even 13th, this I am leaving for afterwards. Huh? But actually here 13th na, this is one formula. This is one formula and very absurd formula this is. See, if we have got x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, very विचित्र है ये, है ना? Combination is such, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. When this type of combination is there, then the formula actually is x plus y plus z in one bracket, x plus y plus z in one bracket. Then we have got in another bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. This is the formula. Are you all getting? But at present what we will be doing is, see here, in this case, these are the three numbers, right? If these three numbers, if I take this number, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, if that happens to be equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to 3xyz. This is there. I'll tell you how. See, you'll come to know. It is slightly confusing, I know that. When you will apply, then you will come to know. If you are finding x cube plus y cube plus z cube, if you are finding x cube plus y cube plus z cube, then if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, supposing if I tell you, you have to find 2 cube plus 2 cube minus 4 cube. 2 cube plus 2 cube minus 4 cube. Are you getting this? Supposing you have to find. Now these are very small numbers, so you will feel चलो हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But what will happen? See here, this is that x cube plus y cube plus z cube. You have to find this, है ना? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Plus means here what I will do? 2 cube plus 2 cube plus minus 4 cube. ऐसा लिखेगा मैं, है ना? You are finding this. If these are the numbers, then actually now you see, if I add this 2 plus 2 minus 4, है ना? What is under the cubes? This is 0, ना? Whenever these combinations are there, then 2 cube plus 2 cube minus 4 cube will be equal to 3 into xyz, 3 into 2 into 2 into minus 4. 3 into xyz, x is this, y is this and z is this. 3 into, what is this? X, y, z is this. So this will be what? Plus minus minus. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 4s are 48 should be the answer of that. So if you'll see here, 2 cube plus 2 cube minus 4 cube. 2 cube is what? 8. Plus 2 cube is what? 8. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 8 plus 8, 16 minus 64. If I subtract this, what will I get? 64 minus 10, 54. 54 minus 6, 48. आ गया? Minus 48. समझ में आ रहा है? Now you will think, जब ये इतना easily होता है तो why this formula is needed? Yes or no? Formula is needed. So supposing if you have got 17 cube plus 13 cube, then minus 30 cube. अभी कैलकुलेट करने को जाएगा तो भारी नहीं पड़ेगा. 17 इंटू 17 इंटू 17 प्लस 13 इंटू 13 इंटू 13 प्लस 30 इंटू 30 इंटू 30 भारी पड़ेगा ना. बट इफ यू सी हियर आई नो 17 प्लस 13 माइनस 30. 17 प्लस 13 हाउ मच 30. 30 माइनस 30 इज इक्वल टू 0. आ रहा है ये 0 है ना. तो इसका आंसर क्या होएगा 17 क्यूब प्लस 13 क्यूब माइनस 30 क्यूब विल बी ओनली 3 इंटू 17 इंटू 13 इंटू 30. बस यही मल्टीप्लाई करने के. आई डोंट हैव टू डू 17 इंटू 17 इंटू 17 13 इंटू 13 इंटू 13. अब बाद में वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा ना, वो सब करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, एडिशन करना पड़ेगा. आई विल ओनली हैव टू डू दिस. सो दिस विल बिकम वॉट 3 इंटू 30 आई विल डू फर्स्ट. 3 इंटू 30 फटाक से होएगा 90 है ना. 90 इंटू 17 ऑल्सो आई विल डू फर्स्ट. आर यू गेटिंग 3 इंटू 30 90 देन दिस आई विल डू. तो 0 9 7 जा 63 9 of the 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 1530 right है. and then into 13 I will do 3 3 जा 9 3 5 जा 15 3 1 जा 3 4. this is 0 3 5 1 0 9 8 9 1. this answer एक मिनट -30 होएगा. सॉरी ना 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 दिस विल नॉट मैच. सॉरी -30 स्टिल नाही सॉरी. अरे बराबर आहे तरी बराबर था. खाली ये आंसर माइनस आता था. 90 दिस इज डन 90 इंटू 17 9 7 जा 35 9 9 10 11 12 9 7 जा 63 9 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 1530 ना इंटू 13. -19890 should be the answer of this. समझा. Similarly you will be able to solve these questions. -12 cube 14th one -12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. If you add -12 plus 7 plus 5 0. So this will be equal to 3 into -12 into 7 into 5. बराबर है. Similarly here 28 cube -15 cube -13 cube ना. तो 28 -15 -3 will be 0. Therefore this will be equal to 3 into 28 into -15 into -13. समझ में आ रहा है. हाँ. These many you do, then we will see afterwards.